it's fine. So yeah, let me kick off, and then I'll just share a few slides to give everyone background on what we're doing here, and then I'll pass it to Ankit for the actual demo. Right? If we have someone who's listening to us in the community who actually wants to do the demo live, just ping me and let me know. Ping me on Discord. All right, so why don't we start here? I think Brandon, you need to let me broadcast.
Yeah, it's not popping up yet. Just wait a second.
All right, we'll get there. All right, perfect. So what we're building here is Velvet.Capital. Velvet.Capital is a protocol that helps people create crypto index funds, crypto portfolios, and actually any financial products with additional yield. So DeFi is getting more and more popular, but even professional investors are getting burned. So you see here, Mark Cuban is one of the main backers of DeFi actually, and he's been using different protocols and actually bragging about getting analyzed returns of more than 200%. But even he got hit when one of the projects he invested in tanked to zero. And guess what? 200% on zero is still zero. So it doesn't help. So the question is, what can ordinary users do if even professional investors are getting burned? And the answer is actually pretty simple, and it's already found in traditional finance. ETFs and diversified portfolios are becoming more and more popular and actually a go-to strategy in traditional markets. So ETFs, for example, the volumes have grown around 140x since the global financial crisis, and now ETFs comprise around 9% of the total stock market. So it's very easy and very popular. However, there are currently no or very few similar solutions in crypto and DeFi. And obviously we see growing interest. A lot of people, 9 in 10 people actually in America have heard about crypto. People bought, traded, and they are interested to buy more, and they want a very easy way to invest in crypto. So that's where we come in. And what we're doing is really creating this crypto index funds, portfolios, and different financial products by combining modern portfolio theory and some of the concepts from traditional finance with yield farming and some of the concepts from DeFi. So how it works, you can create indices and portfolios constructed based on clear rules, create a diversified set of different assets, different cryptocurrencies, and we also integrating with staking pools, lending protocols, and liquidity pools, so that you can get additional yield on each of the assets in the portfolio. Now, what we're building here before we jump into the demo is actually protocol. So it will basically work as a platform that everyone can build on top of. So users, for example, can use Velvet.Capital to either create new portfolios, or they can select and use any of the existing ones. And other users, other people can also jump and join the strategies that they created. But we're also working on a DeFi as a service solution, so that institutional players can create portfolios using our protocol, and they can offer it to their customers and other institutional clients. So now, before passing it to Ankit for the demo, I'll just make a quick announcement. We got silver recently at the BNB Chain Revelation Hackathon, one of the first hackathons facilitated by BNB Chain, and we're very excited to partner and continue building together with BNB Chain and some of the other projects. All right, so why don't we jump into the demo now, and let me know if anyone got any questions. Just feel free to put them in the chat.
Yeah, hi everyone. So now I'm gonna show you the demo what we have built so far. So as well. So we have made like a good amount of progress compared to our like last demo. So here, like you can see, like we have a better version of UI with more feature in terms of contract. So here you can see, as of now in my wallet, there's like some 68 uh, dollar worth of like BNB in my wallet, and which is 0.2 BNB, and there are like four portfolios. Four portfolio basically like four different kind of like flavors for like index token. So blue chip, you can call like top five cryptocurrencies by total market capitalization, which is equally weighted. We have excluded the stable coin there. uh, yeah, so we have a like metaverse portfolio here. These are like top four token of the in the metaverse sector, in NFT sector, in the BNB, in terms of like total market cap. There's a third portfolio like yield by Venus. This is like a bit interesting compared to other portfolio. So what interesting here is that like once you like invest some money here in the yield by Venus, you will get like some extra yield or like some better a more profit, you can say, if over a period of time, because you will get uh, like extra token basically in terms of like VBTC or whatever the token which you are putting here. So we'll discuss a little bit more like when we'll like do the trade. I'm gonna show the trade how we're gonna like buy this particular portfolio here. Then we have like a top 10 portfolio as well, which is basically a top 10 cryptocurrencies based out of like market cap, and these are the tokens in it. So these are the four portfolio. So now I'm gonna show you like how you can basically like buy any one of the portfolio. So here I'm gonna choose like one of the most interesting one, which is yield by Venus. So what you're gonna do, what I'm gonna do. So here, as of now, I am holding a zero V top 10 token as of now. I'm not holding anything. So I need to buy. I'll click on here, create, and when I'm clicking on here, I need to like enter the amount of BNB. So let's say I am entering 0.02 worth of like BNB. So I'll click on here, create, and it will ask the permission on MetaMask. Oh, yes, so it was a bit slow. So I'm gonna confirm it. So when we confirm, like here, we're gonna like see the our dialog box here that our money is being basically getting invested in this index token. So investing zero point 0.0 BNB worth of like, and we successfully bought it as well. So this is a message where it says that you have successfully invested this amount of the top 10 token in the basket. Now I want to like add this token in my wallet. So I'll click on here and I'll add here from the MetaMask. This token is already added in my wallet because I have tested it like multiple times before. Uh, so if I open it on my MetaMask, you will see this token on my MetaMask site. Yeah. So here you can see this is the token which I have bought. This is basically the index token, and this index token basically compromises of like these portfolios. So here you can see this portfolio Bitcoin is like 55%, Ethereum 5%, WBNB, XRP these are like around 5%. So what exactly is happening behind the scene? I'm gonna like discuss a little bit there. So when we are like investing money here, so it is basically going in the pancake swap, and from pancake swap it is going to the Venus, and it is investing uh, the base portfolio there. So Venus is basically, we all know, it's a lending and borrowing platform. So if we are like investing some sort of money there, So then it's basically like kind of a lending. So those money are basically used for like lending, and we get like an extra token for it. So same thing is happening here. So whatever the index token basically is getting bought from our side, which we are like storing in the Gnosis safe, those index token are basically going in the Venus as like a part of an investment. And whatever the yield we are like getting it from there, that will be added in our portfolio. So here you can see this is the token exchange is happening from the PancakeSwap, and from PancakeSwap on the Venus VBTC, VETH, and other tokens we are buying basically. It's getting invested. So this is the process of like buying. Now when we have like bought, so next step is basically to like redeem it. So I'm gonna like click on the redeem. So we need to know like how much portfolio, how much amount of like a V token. We can check it from the MetaMask as well, and we will like be showing it here as well in the portfolio section. So here I'll click on here redeem. So when I'm clicking on redeem, the process will be the same. I just need to like confirm it on the MetaMask, and after the confirmation, the transaction will happen first from the Venus, and from Venus it will go to the PancakeSwap, and from PancakeSwap we will get back our return, the BNB basically. So here I'm like confirming. Yeah, redeeming this much amount of V top 10 index, and it's done. So this is a success message. We have successfully redeemed this much amount of V top 10 index. And happened behind the scene. So we have so and let's say we are investing in like a basket, some sort of like a portfolio. So those money are like sitting idle. So what we have thought, like, why don't we like route this money to some lending platform and get an extra yield out of it? So that is what we are doing here. We have like in the back end, like we have connected with the Venus. So money which we are like investing it here, those money are routing to the Venus, and from there the user is getting an extra yield. So yeah, this is the demo what we have prepared. uh, as of now, we have made in progress. If you have any questions around our product, or if you want to be on the wait list to test, please join our Discord and sign up on our website. Thank you.
Awesome. Yeah, thanks for sharing that. We've been working super hard, and like Vasily said before, we just got second place in the Revelation Hackathon Disruptive DeFi category. So things are moving, and we're improving every day. And join the Discord, and we could definitely schedule a test with you if you're really interested and wanted to take a closer look. We would love your feedback. Other than that, I think that's about it, unless we have any questions, and I'm not seeing any coming up in the channel here. So, whenever you watch this, please leave it all